Hi friends, in this video we will discuss binary search algorithm. It is a very efficient and fast method for searching a number, but it works only on sorted array. Binary search starts by comparing the middle element of the array with the key. If the key is greater than the middle element, the search continues in the upper half of the array. If the key is less than the middle element, the search continues in the lower half of the array. And if the key matches the middle element, its position in the array is returned. This process is repeated until either the key is found or L becomes greater than H. Let's try to understand it with the help of an example. Consider an array of 12 elements and suppose we want to search the array for key 125. Algorithm will start with L equals 0, H equals 11 and M equals 5. Since 125 is greater than middle element 75, the search will continue in upper half. Iteration 2 begins with L equals 6, H equals 11, M equals 8. Here 125 is greater than middle element 105, so search will continue in upper half of this subarray. In third iteration, L equals 9, H equals 11, M equals 10. Here middle element 125 is equal to key, so 125 is found at index 10. In this illustration, we have traced the algorithm for successful search. If the key is not found, then we will return -1. Time complexity of this algorithm is log n to the base 2. Now let's look at the implementation of this algorithm in Python. This is the iterative implementation of binary search. It can be implemented recursively also. That's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was beneficial to you. Inshallah, I will be making similar educational videos in future. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.